Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we are going to make 4 DIY household cleaners with ingredients you probably already have around your house. We are going to make an all-purpose cleaner, a glass cleaner, a disinfectant spray, and a wood cleaner. We are going to start with the all-purpose cleaner. In a glass bottle, we are going to fill it halfway with white vinegar. Then we are going to add about 25 drops of lemon essential oil or any essential oil you would like. To this, we will add 1 tablespoon of dish soap of your choice, and then top it all up with water, shake well, and you're ready to clean. Next, we are going to make a simple glass cleaner. To a spray bottle, we are going to fill it halfway with rubbing alcohol. You could also use vodka for this part. Next, we are going to add about 25 drops of eucalyptus essential oil. Again, you can use any essential oil you prefer. Then we will top it up with water and shake well, and you're ready to get your windows sparkling clean. Now on to the disinfectant spray. To a spray bottle, we are going to fill it halfway with vinegar. We're going to add about 15 drops of lavender essential oil. Tea tree oil is another one that would work great. And then we're going to top it up with water. Shake well and spray. Remember, for a disinfectant spray, it should sit on the surface for about 10 minutes so that it can do its job. Last, we are going to make a wood cleaner. To a bottle, we are going to fill it halfway with olive oil. To that, we are going to add about 10 drops of orange essential oil. Then, top it up with vinegar and shake well. If you just want to polish your wood furniture, then just leave out the vinegar and just use the olive oil and orange essential oil, and rub on a little bit with a cloth. And there you have it, 4 easy DIY household cleaners you can make with things around the house in about 5 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.